Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a crown roast of pork on a Memphis wood fire grill. So a crown roast of pork is often one or two pork rib roast that you clean off the bones and then you tie them together with a little bit of butcher twine. My butcher already trimmed up the rib roast for me, so the only thing that I have to do is bend it into a circle and tie it up with some butcher twine. You want to make sure that the meaty part of the pork faces inwards. So when the crown roast has been secured and tied up with butcher twines, you want to pat it dry, and then it's time to prepare the herb paste. Start by finely chopping the rosemary and the thyme leaves and mincing the garlic. Then you want to mix all of this with the olive oil until you have a nice paste. Then season the entire roast with salt and pepper and spread the herb paste over the entire roast. Then you want to make sure that you put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or overnight to make all these flavors infuse. So it's been 3 hours and the crown roast both looks and smells amazing. So it's now time to set up the Memphis wood fire grill, 325 degrees cherry pellets. Couple of things that we're going to do before we put the roast in. We're going to wrap some aluminum foil over each bone because this will prevent the bones from burning and charring. We're also going to place the crown roast on an elevated rack so we can collect all those drippings. Then it's time to place it in the Memphis wood fire grill, insert a meat probe, and then smoke until you reach an inner temperature of 150 degrees. So it's been about 3.5 hours now, and the crown roast of pork is sitting in a Memphis wood fire grill with an inner temperature of 150 degrees. So what we want to do now is that we want to remove the meat probe and then remove the roast from the grill. We're going to carefully remove the aluminum foil wearing heat-resistant gloves, and then we're going to let the crown pork rest under some aluminum foil for about 20 minutes before we cut it up. The crown roast has now been resting for 20 minutes, and it's time to carefully remove the butcher twine and slice into the crown roast. And that is how you make a beautiful crown roast of pork on the Memphis wood fire grill. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com. And I think the only thing left for me to do now is to try the crown roast. Let's sprinkle some sea salt on top, and here we go. Oh man, herby, super juicy. I hope you try this at home. This is really good, and happy grilling.